Hi, my name is Amy Daigle, and this is a professional development plan for implementing the strategies presented within the book called Problem-Based Teaching by Susie Boss with John Lummer. This presentation is part of the final exam paper on professional development in action for EDL 530 at the University of North Carolina at Wilmington. Project-Based Teaching is a book that encourages schools and teachers to shift from a teacher-centered classroom where the teacher is the expert presenter of all things related to their content to a student-centered classroom that utilizes project-based learning through questioning, applying the scientific design process, and peer learning. The general concept of this book is centered around the foundational framework on what is defined as gold standard project-based learning and includes 7 key criteria. Propose a challenging question. Spark interest through inquiry. Authenticate with a real-world problem. Produce student choices. Create a public display. Provide opportunities for feedback. And finally, produce a chance to critique and revise their work. In the first chapter of Project-Based Teaching, the authors identified that before the PBL design process can begin, the appropriate culture must first be established to include mutual respect, a sense of safety, an expectation for growth, and a sense that everyone feels welcomed to contribute. Teaching students to develop the skills necessary to try, fail, and then repeat is a vital component of project-based teaching. Additionally, the book provides teacher testimony within each of the chapters, as well as other suggested readings that correlate with each of the design processes, including how to align projects to state and national standards, as well as provide unique options for both formative and summative assessments. In general, this book is an excellent read and provides actionable teaching steps towards making the shift to project-based learning. My professional development plan, centered around this book, includes a 2-day innovative approach to staff development. In addition to reviewing the book, as I have for you, we will also bring in expert guest speakers that will provide much-needed insights into tackling project-based teaching for the first time. Additionally, if we ask our teachers to model their expectations, then administration should do the same. So the remainder of the PDP incorporates a chance for teachers to participate in an engaging PBL for themselves. Throughout the project, teachers will have opportunities to reflect on the design process in addition to the project topic itself. For this professional development project, we will ask teachers to design a food truck and business proposal that they feel would be most successful in our community. They will be provided a rubric of the project expectations and will encourage them to do some quick research on the history of food trucks already in the community, basic food truck regulations, and business proposals. We want to limit the requirements to fit into the professional development day. We all know that teacher creativity can spawn out of control, so admin will walk around and provide assistance when needed. In order to sustain the inquiry process, local food truck vendors will come to the school to provide lunch for the teachers, as well as answer any questions the teachers may have. After lunch, other business partners will come to be available for the teachers to collaborate with. We hope to show that through community support and collaboration, that the learning experience will be that much more enriching. By mid-afternoon, we will ask the teachers to present their topic ideas to the group and to complete a reflection. The reflection will be about the overall project-based learning design process, what questions they still have, and general feedback they would like to provide. On the second day of professional development, which will occur a month or so later, teachers will come together with STEM West to create a project-based learning related directly to the North Carolina Essential Standards. Teachers will be encouraged to work with colleagues to create a cross-disciplinary project, but will not be required to do so as a group. Throughout the semester, peer observations of these projects will occur and feedback will be provided for suggested revisions. As a part of this portion of the PDP, teachers will also be asked to survey their students regarding their project experience and how that compares with a more traditional way of learning. Data from all classes will be compiled and shared with the staff at the next faculty meeting. It is the hope that by modeling the project-based learning design process during professional development opportunities, that teachers will be encouraged to do the same in their classrooms and guide them to think outside the box when it comes to how students learn. It is also the hope that students will learn to appreciate education. I hope you have enjoyed this book review and professional development plan. I wish you all the best with your educational pathways.